What would happen if your electricity suddenly stopped working tonight? No lights. No internet. No way to charge phones or keep important devices running. Most people never think about how dependent daily life has become on electricity until an outage happens unexpectedly. And lately, more people have started questioning whether relying completely on the power grid is really the safest long-term option. Electricity costs continue rising in many areas. At the same time, storms, heat waves, aging infrastructure, and unexpected outages are becoming more common. For many families, even a short power interruption creates stress almost immediately. Food can spoil. Communication becomes harder. Basic comfort disappears faster than most people expect. And the frustrating part is that many people feel like they have no real control over the situation. They simply wait and hope the power comes back soon. That feeling of dependence can quietly create anxiety, especially for homeowners, parents, or anyone responsible for keeping a household running smoothly. Because when power disappears, people quickly realize how much everyday life depends on systems they can't personally control. And with utility bills constantly increasing, many people are also becoming tired of paying more every year while feeling less secure during emergencies. The longer people depend entirely on unstable systems, the more vulnerable daily life can feel during unexpected situations. But many traditional backup generators feel expensive, noisy, fuel-heavy, or too complicated for beginners. That's why more people are exploring simpler and more practical backup energy ideas designed around preparedness and self-reliance. Recently, DIY energy projects have become increasingly popular among people who want more flexibility and independence. Not because they expect disaster every day, but because being prepared creates peace of mind. Knowing there's another option available can make people feel calmer and more confident during uncertain situations. And for many, learning how alternative energy works is empowering on its own. One project getting attention lately is the Lost Generator. Inspired by older energy concepts connected to Thomas Edison-style designs, it provides digital blueprints and beginner-friendly instructions for building a compact backup energy system at home. What many people find interesting is how approachable it feels. The guides include diagrams, parts lists, and step-by-step instructions designed for everyday people instead of technical experts. Some use it as a DIY learning project. Others explore it as part of their emergency preparedness or off-grid lifestyle goals. For many people, having access to a small independent power solution creates reassurance. The feeling of being more prepared, more self-reliant, and less dependent on systems outside their control. Even understanding how these systems work can help people feel more confident about handling future uncertainties. At the end of the day, preparedness isn't about panic or fear. It's about creating practical options before they're needed. Because when unexpected situations happen, even simple backup solutions can make everyday life feel far less stressful. If you'd like to learn more about the DIY energy project mentioned in this video and see why many people are exploring backup power and energy independence solutions, check the link in the description below. It may help you better understand the simple preparedness strategies people are using to feel more secure, confident, and ready for unexpected outages.